Hi guys, it's your girl Michelle and I'm back with another video, hey. So today guys, I'll be doing a tutorial, an eyebrow tutorial video, a highly requested video. So guys, this is a highly requested video because people who have been viewing my video have been saying that whenever I do my makeup I always jump this part, like I do it off camera. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyebrows, and to tell you guys, as much as people are different, I also do my eyebrows differently. So the way that I do them is the way that I like them. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like my videos, and don't forget to share my link to everyone, your contacts, WhatsApp, Facebook, everything. Let's get right into it. So guys, now I'm gonna show you the things I'll be using for my eyebrows, the things I normally use to do my eyebrows. Before that, my lips are dry. My lips are literally dry every time. So I'll be using a Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer. Ooh. I'll be using a pencil. You can get it anywhere. I'll be using a brown pencil. It's optional, you can use a black or any color that you like, but I prefer brown. I'll be using this brush. I lost my split brush, so for now I'm using this one. It does work. Then I'll be using this flat brush for my concealer. Yeah, I think that's that. So now I'm looking for my mirror. Okay, I got my mirror. So now I'll just get right into it. I won't be doing much of talking. You just follow guys, like you'll see, it's easy. Let me sharpen my pencil first. So now I'm gonna do this eyebrow off camera. So guys, this is the final look. This is how I draw my eyebrows. I know, right? They are not identical. I know. I don't draw twins, I don't draw sisters, I just draw cousins, not identical eyebrows. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is how I draw my eyebrows every time, same process, same steps, all of that. Another thing, guys, I've made a choice that every single week I post a video, I upload a video on my channel every single week. And if by that specific week I'm not that busy, I might post maybe upload two videos. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure that every week you tune into my channel and see if I've uploaded any content. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like my videos and share my links. Peace out.